I wanted to ask you actually, you were widely quoted saying that you're sure, or you're 99.9% sure that she will be convicted, VP Sara, in the Senate. In your opinion, hearing all the House hearings and the deliberations, what are the strongest articles of impeachment?
I think there are two strong articles of impeachment, no? Because I think there are probably 5 or 6 grounds in the third impeachment complaint and the fourth impeachment complaint, but they can be collapsed into 4 grounds. The first would be, of course, attempt, the hiring of an assassin, and the threats, no? And together with all of the pronouncements, not only of the vice president, that she will be the survivor, no? And that she wanted to cut off the head of the president and throw it away, or dig the grave of the father and throw it to the West Philippine Sea. This is clearly inciting to rebellion, inciting to sedition and disloyalty, not to the president, but to the republic, to authorities. No? So that is a ground. That is a ground for impeachment. Very strong because these are her own words. And this is her own press conference, this thing about hiring an assassin.
Well,
Malakas yung-
it could be dismissed as hyperbole.
You are not entitled to hyperbole if you are a public official. Especially, even remember, there was this case of some private individual, some teacher who says, papatayin ko ang presidente. Hinuli agad ng NBI. When we go to airports and we joke and say, oy, baka may bomba kayong makita dyan sa luggage ko, that immediately is actionable. No?
And you meant,
Coming from the vice president, she has no business doing hyperboles.